Teenage skincare routine, step by step. Well, it's very important to have good skincare routine, especially for teenagers, because their skin affected by lots of inner body or outer body changes. So in this video, I will share with you a step-by-step beginner skincare routine, which is specially designed for teenagers. Let's start it. First step is cleansing. Cleansing helps to remove dirt, oil, makeup, and purify your skin. Must try to use this 2 times daily for better results. Well, there is several types of cleansers. Oil cleanser, gel cleanser, foam cleanser, cream or milk cleanser. Now, which is the best cleanser for you? 1. All cleanser. It's for all skin types, and it's mainly used for removing makeup. 2. Gel or foam cleanser. It's for normal to oily or combination skin types. 3. Milk or cream cleanser. It's for dry to combination skin types. You can use specific ingredients, face wash for specific skin concern. Second step is toning. After cleansing, toner is very important. It gives several benefits, including balanced skin barrier and pH after cleansing. Some toner also provide additional benefits, such as hydration, repair skin barrier, smoothness, and also refresh the skin. Third step is serum. Well, serum are used as extremely beneficial face care products that are light on the face and have a high concentration active ingredients to eliminate specific skin concern like hyperpigmentation, hydration, dullness, acne, wrinkle. So definitely try to add at least 1 serum in your skincare routine based on your skin concern. Now, how and when you use a serum? Well, it should be used on the face after cleansing and toning. You just take few drops and apply on your overall face properly, and it's just give you amazing results. You can use this 2 times daily for better results. Fourth step is moisturizer. Moisturizing ingredients help to retain moisture already present within the skin by building the skin protective barrier and preventing water loss. This helps to reduce the skin problem and increase cell turnover, soothe and hydrate the skin, and protect from external stress. Well, there is several types of moisturizer. Cream moisturizer, lotion moisturizer, gels moisturizer, face all moisturizer. You can choose the moisturizer according to your skin type. The 5th step is sunscreen. In a daytime skincare routine, sunscreen is very important because without sunscreen, nothing will work on your skin. So it's must to use sunscreen on your daytime routine. It helps for sun protection and keep complexion even, protect against signs of aging, reduce risk of cancer. There is several types and brands of sunscreen. You can choose any of them.